Yeah, hi everyone. So we are back with a late night stream and we are going to play some blindfold chess. So first game will be between Vishwanath and Abhijit Bhaiya, and you
Oh,
you guys must have noticed that our backgrounds are looking very nice today. So everyone
yeah,
explain your
my
background.
Yeah, Teletubbies,
yeah,
Vishwanath.
And mine is a drone photo and Abhijit Bhaiya has I think a 5 style alg.
Yeah,
it's
it
five
is
style.
Yeah.
al.cubing.net photo.
Hmm. Yeah,
Interesting.
so we can wait, you both can see the board, right? No moves right now.
Yeah, no
Yeah,
moves
no
right.
moves
Okay,
right
so
now.
wait, I'll make a
At the
move.
top left, you can even see the viewers, no?
Yeah,
Top left.
yeah, but still just confirming. So yeah, now you can see the move.
Yeah,
Okay, then
Yeah, knight f3.
okay,
Card.
then we can start. So
okay, close.
so the hard work is you both can put on your blindfold and I'll make the moves and provide some commentary without giving them spoilers. So should be fun.
Okay, okay.
Uh, yeah. So which one of you wants white and black? You can decide.
I'll be white. Vishwanath, it's fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
1 second.
Shivam, you're ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Go a3.
A3. Okay.
Abhijit play normal moves, yaar. Abhijit play normal moves. Play like a
Yeah,
like standard match.
a3. Done.
Yeah, A3 done.
Okay, so what are the rules again? If I ask you to tell all the moves from the beginning, you can tell, right?
Uh,
You can
No.
because in
no.
blindfold you get
Uh,
three
And
is
times.
it allowed?
Shivam, how many illegal moves are allowed? Like,
Let's
person
say
does
three
five illegal.
strikes. Three strikes. You're out.
Yeah.
No, but illegal. Okay, okay, cool.
And
But
you.
you'll have to tell the condition if I ask.
Okay.
If we from the beginning.
Okay, I'll decide once we start. I'll see if I want to or not.
Okay. E5.
What? What did you say?
Hello?
G5?
E
E5.
King
E
King
E5. Okay. Done.
E7
Okay.
B3.
B4.
B4.
Boy 4.
What is this?
Boy.
Okay, boy 4.
अरे boy.
Haha,
बेटा.
boy 4. What is this opening? Chalo. Okay, I'll try to talk less so you guys don't get distracted.
No, it's okay. He will get distracted. Okay, D5.
D5. Okay, done.
For donkey. Yeah.
E3.
E3. Okay.
E3, E4 and E3. Oh.
Yeah.
What is
A3, E4, B4, D5. Then E3.
E3.
Yeah.
E3? My pawn is on E5 and D5, right?
Yeah.
Pawn C7 to C5.
Wait. Pawn C7 to C5. Okay.
B takes C5.
Bishop takes
B takes C5.
Bishop takes C5.
Bishop takes C5.
So now the pieces are E5, D5, Bishop C5, and white has A3, B4, and E3. No, A3 and E3.
Yeah.
What will be?
Okay. Bishop B2.
Bishop B2. Done.
Knight B8 to C6.
Knight B8
C6.
to C6.
Knight C6.
Okay. Done.
Knight F3.
Knight f3. Yeah, thanks,
Bishop.
Prakash.
What we saying?
Alek is also in the chat. Prakash said, "Good, congrats on the flags quiz."
Oh,
And people are saying good luck. Prakash said good luck. Shijan says all the best here.
Comment below who do you think is going to win?
Yeah.
yeah,
Comment
Vishwanath is very
yo for yo, Vishwa for Vishwa. Let's see who people think. Okay, Vishwa, your move.
What did he play? Knight f3, right?
Yeah, knight f3.
Yeah.
Bishop g4.
Bishop g4. Done.
Bishop e2.
Bishop e2. Done.
Knight f6.
Knight f6. Okay. Done.
Knight f3 takes on e5.
Knight f3 takes on e5. Done.
Why are you complicating stuff unnecessarily? Knight c6 takes on e5.
Knight c6 takes on e5.
Bishop b2 takes on e5.
Oh, I lost a pawn.
Bishop
Okay.
b2 takes on e5. Okay. Bishop b2 takes on e5. Yeah. Okay. Let's.
Bishop takes e2.
Okay. Bishop takes e2.
Uh,
Yeah. Okay. Done.
Queen takes e2.
Okay. Let's turn on evaluation. See what's.
I think
Uh,
white is plus.
Okay. Guess your evaluation.
White is +1.
Yeah. White is exactly.
White is plus-
exactly plus
Oh,
1.
0.5. 0.5 to
White
0.7.
is plus 1.
Plus 1?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Arjun Shetty says good luck to you and Vishwa.
Okay, Vishwanath, Queen e2 played.
Okay.
Castle.
Castle. Done.
Bishop takes on f6.
Queen takes on f6.
Bishop takes f6. Queen takes f6. And just so you guys know, Vishwa is black and Abhijit Bhaiya is white.
D4.
D4. Okay. We have 13 viewers. Nice.
Wow.
Okay. D4 played.
Rook e8.
Rook
Thank you, Vishwanath.
Rook e8. Okay.
I'm
Okay.
spelling something, but I have to play knight D2 first.
Knight D2. Okay.
Yeah.
e2. Why?
Knight
D2.
Knight D2. Donkey 2.
Oh.
Okay,
Alec.
wait. Can I take a take back?
No take backs. No take backs.
Okay, fine.
Alex says,
I can-
okay, I gotta go. Alec, come. If you want to, you can join.
Okay. Bishop takes on d4.
Bishop takes on D4. Okay. So the bishop was hanging, but you didn't take it. Abhijit
Yeah.
Bhaiya. Yeah, now.
If I took it, my rook would have gone, and then it is very difficult.
Exactly, I was going-
Acha, okay, I didn't see that. You both are blindfolded and I didn't see.
Now
I
it's
see that
equal.
trick actually. That's why I knew that even if he played d4, I saw that.
I should have played maybe I don't know, like knight c3 would have been.
I
But no. Queen d3 I should have played. I should have played queen d3.
Knight c3
It would have taken 2 moves to capture that free bishop.
Hmm.
Uh,
So, yeah, it wasn't a free bishop.
It was.
I'll play rook.
Yeah.
Rook A
Now I
B1.
think engine evaluation will be -1 or -0.5.
Okay,
Let me
minus
check.
rook.
It's
Rook
minus
AB1.
0.4.
Ah.
What
Rook
Abhijit
AB1.
bhaiya, what? Rook A B1. Okay.
Shim, can you roll call the moves again from the beginning?
No, please. It disturbs me. This one. Play a move.
Shivam, please.
Okay, we can do a rule that if both players say, then we can do that.
Yeah, I don't want a roll call.
Speed Cuber 71 is Alec Bhatia. Someone is asking who is that.
You played Rook A B1, right?
Yeah, Rook A
Yeah.
B1. So I'm preferring
Bishop,
black here.
Bishop plays Bishop D4 to C.
2 C3.
Yeah.
Okay.
His knight is on D2, right?
Yeah.
Any interesting comments in the chat? If you have good moves, please suggest.
Yeah, and I'll forward them.
Suggest
Queen D3.
Queen D3. Done.
D5 to D4. On.
C5 to
No, D5.
D5. Okay, D5 to D4. Okay. Done.
E takes D4.
Illegal.
E takes D4
Why?
is illegal.
I have castled, na?
No.
No, you haven't castled.
Okay.
Illegal move number 1. Two more and you're out.
Okay, castles.
Okay, short castle.
Short castle.
Rook A D8.
Rook A D8.
E4.
E4. Okay.
Lost all count. So his queen is on D3, knight is on D2,
F6.
E1.
And queens on F6 and D3.
No.
Is on B1 and F1.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just tell you all the pieces that are there on the board. Just tell me if that's right or not.
Okay.
H2, G2, F2.
Wait.
King G-
Wait. Slowly. H2 G2 F2. Yeah.
King G1, Rook F1,
Hmm.
Rook B1,
Yeah.
then A3,
Hmm.
Queen D3,
Hmm.
Knight D2,
Hmm.
C,
What?
C2, pawn on C2.
Yeah.
That is
One on E4 also.
E4 also.
Yeah.
No, not E4, E4, yeah. That is white, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
I'll tell black.
Okay.
Pawn on A7, B7, D4,
Hmm.
F7, G7, H7.
Yeah.
Both rooks on D and E5. So D8, E8.
Yeah.
Queen F6 and Bishop C3. So very powerful battle.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
king.
Oh, we remembered everything.
King,
Nice.
King, King G8.
Yeah. Good.
Oh,
Oops.
nice.
Yeah.
Didn't think come this far. Okay.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay, bishop takes on d2. Bishop takes the knight.
Okay. Bishop takes the knight.
Okay, Queen takes the knight.
Rook takes on e4.
Queen takes.
Ah.
Wait. Queen takes the bishop. You mean?
Yeah, Queen takes the bishop.
Okay.
That's what it
Okay.
Rook takes E4.
Yeah. Queen takes. Queen takes d2. Done.
There's a rook on e4, right?
Yeah.
Take that with the rook on e8.
Okay.
Rook B7.
Rook b7.
What?
Okay. Okay.
Oh shit.
Abhilash, hi.
Indian bro.
Prakash says you guys are playing quite decently for blindfolded. I would probably have blundered my queen by now.
Thanks, Prakash. But I don't know.
Okay, rook
We're
takes
lucky.
rook takes b7 done.
Ah, this is not good.
Yeah, hi Abhilash.
Okay. Queen a6.
Queen a6 done.
Okay, Rook B3.
Okay.
Rook b3.
Okay, let's evaluate the position again. With king g1, rook f1, e2, e2, e2. Two pawns on e5, one queen on e2, pawn on e2, a3. Okay, was that correct?
I wasn't listening.
Shivam. Yeah. It is correct. Vishwanath, very correct. Next
Okay.
move. 10.
Obviously, don't try to trick me, huh?
Yeah. Well, are you like a school teacher or something? Don't try to fool me. I won't give attendance. Ra? Like that. Shivam, timeout Vishwanath. He is taking too much time.
yeah, too much time. We'll do a 1 minute time limit on each move.
No,
Yeah,
that
1 minute.
like you can't introduce rules in between. Like,
We can do anything.
Yeah, anything is possible. White wins.
okay, queen a4.
Queen a4. Okay. Queen a4. Let's see how
Queen D3.
Queen d3. Okay. Both players going on the attack. Actually, they are just maneuvering right now.
Yeah, shuffling.
Yeah, shuffling.
I'm just scared of the E2 square. Black gets the E2 square, then it's difficult for me. And Vishwanath should be scared of his D4 pawn being captured.
What did he play?
He played Queen d3.
Queen D3.
d3, yeah.
My rook is on e4, right?
Yo.
Right, yes or no?
Yo.
It's
Yo
a
is
yo.
the response. Yo is the response you have to. That's the response that you have to like.
Yeah,
make
Vishwanath, you
peace with.
can't ask at every move which.
Yeah.
Please tell my name in the video, say something. Abhilash Butola, you guys can say hi to him. He's saying say my name in the video. Abhilash. They are thinking right now. Let's distract. Wait, which one should I distract?
Um, 1 minute is over. Vishwanath.
Yeah.
White wins. White wins.
Rook
We still have 12 viewers.
E5. No, don't play that, don't play that, don't play that. No. I'm not playing.
Okay. Yeah. What are you saying?
He was saying rook e5, and then he saw some nice idea which I wanted.
Okay. Let's see the evaluation.
Okay, yeah, we can play rook.
Oh, evaluation is 0, dead draw.
Final answer. E2.
Okay.
Rook e5.
E5, sorry, yeah.
Rook e5. Okay,
E5,
done.
no?
Done.
Yeah, this makes things interesting.
I was
Nice
thinking
move.
some back rank stuff that he can do, like cheesy stuff.
Yo, cheese. I see. Okay. Rook f1 to b1.
B1.
Rook f1 to d1.
d1. B, boy, beta.
अच्छा बेटा रुको हाँ डन it is stream
Rook D8 to E8.
rook d8 to e8 done so both players doubling up their rooks.
I see. Vishwanath.
Please tell me how to solve a Rubik's Cube in 6 seconds. I think I can't solve it in 6 seconds, so you can ask
h3.
Laser Monkey
h3.
for that.
Wait. Okay, wait. Let me just think.
Okay.
Vishwanath is saying so.
Vishwanath is thinking for 1 minute and then you are making move in 5 seconds. Not fair.
Okay, we haven't blundered anything major so far, which is a good sign. I
Endgames are easy in blindfold.
Yeah. Ben is spectating your game.
Oh wow, does Ben know we are doing blind? Ask Ben.
G3, I'll go with G3. Let's just, since there is no bishops, I can go with that.
Weakening king square.
What weakening? There is no bishop.
What did you
Seeing
say?
all the queen.
What move did you say?
G3.
G3.
G for gully boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Queen C6.
Queen C6.
Does Ben know we're doing it blind?
Not sure. Wait.
I mean, in the study, I guess he knows.
Yeah.
Okay, rook B8.
Okay, I added him as a rook B8.
Yeah.
Nice.
Let's go.
Okay, done.
Spoiled my whole plan.
I know your plan. It's quite easy. I could have done h4 and then king h2 and like that. But I thought you'll have a lot of initiative, so I'm going with rook b8.
Wait, the viewers just let me know if the stream is buffering or something because, or maybe it's just my internet because it's not loading properly for me. So if it's buffering or something, just let me know in the chat. Okay, Queen C6 played.
Rook b8. Reply to that.
Acha, that I played. Yeah, now.
Hello, Vishwanath, are you there? How was your day? Like, what did you have for dinner?
Queen D5.
Okay.
Queen D5. Done. Let's sing some.
This is not fair,
Stream.
yaar.
Someone is saying stream lagging. Yeah, I
You're doing
think
fine.
there's some error coming in the stream. It's saying some error occurred. Wait. Let me try to fix it.
There's one move I'm debating. I don't know if it will work.
Just move the rook back and protect.
There are a lot of tactics now.
Move the rook back. That's the best idea. Like you can save your, queenside pawns. Abhijit,
Wait.
are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening. Wait. I'm thinking of two options, C3 and C4, and I'm just debating which one to do.
C3 and C4.
C4, maybe in few moves it will be tough because it will be a pawn race. C3 might be good. I'm also thinking of in. No, wait. That one will be good. Okay, I'll go with C3. Shivam, C3.
C3, okay. Yeah, I think the stream is fine now. Okay, Prakash asking after this match, can we have a tournament? Yeah, we can have, or maybe I'll also do one blindfold match, but mine will be faster because I'll blunder everything and then.
No, Shivam, you were winning. You were queen up against.
We'll do a timed match, so will be better. Okay, so C3 played. Yeah, I think YouTube server is having some problem. Yeah, hi Abhilash. I said your name on stream. Okay, so White is going for back rank attacks.
Hey, Vishwanath might miss it.
How will I miss the back rank? Come on, man. If
You have not played H6.
Huh?
You could have played H6 2-3 times. Last 2-3 moves.
Meanwhile, Black is has central pieces. Good center. Okay, let's see the evaluation. It's plus 1.1. Yo, so White is winning.
Not good sign.
Just get a back rank bet and then let's move on to the next week.
Okay, fine. H6.
H6. The Indian suggestion was H5 in this position.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking of G5 because G5 and then my H4 won't work because I need an H4 sometime or the other.
Shit.
Yeah, I know. G5 would have been so much pressure. Like afterward G4, then F3 is where you can bring queen to F3 and everything. It becomes very difficult.
G5 is not a good idea. It's very risky.
No, it's good because you have like queen D5, rook E5, no? Queen can also enter it.
Blind or are you opening your eyes, Abhijit?
No, he's blindfolded. I can confirm.
Yeah.
Unless it's see-through.
Cheating, Abhijit is cheating.
Okay, queen takes on D4.
Queen takes D4. Done. Is a trade coming?
I think Vishwanath won't trade. He'll go for queen. He'll triple. He'll go queen e6 or something.
Yeah, okay. I don't know.
I know Vishwanath.
Why?
Because I played a lot of games with you. So I know how you dirty flag me, how you just win one pawn and then you convert the end game and everything.
Okay,
But
queen
that
d6.
is well cited.
Queen d6.
Queen d6.
Queen d6.
Queen takes on d6.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Yeah!
two.
Free
Yeah.
queen.
Queen d6.
E6 would have worked, Vishwanath. D6
I
is
said
bad.
d6. Arey yaar, I meant d6.
No, you said D6, Vishwanath. Shivram just see the stream.
I meant that. I meant tripling on the file.
Arey, what meant? You said D6, donkey 6.
Shivam, Arey, Shivam, you know what I meant, no?
Okay, fine.
Okay,
You play
fine,
D6.
take back.
Let's have a very tight
Queen
game.
e6.
Let's have a-
E6 done.
That's what I was thinking. What does he mean by take the queen? Take the queen. Also,
Okay, black has a triple e file. White has a central queen.
he said queen d6 tripling, no? So I just said queen d6 by mistake. Like, came in the flow. I should have closed my ears.
Okay. I think
Not allowed, man.
we can do a tournament in this stream also later.
Yeah. How many people are watching?
Right now 6, but there were like 12 people watching them before the stream started having some issues.
Okay, I'm going with King G2.
King G2. Okay.
Very daring.
Okay, removing
I
king
know,
from
E2
back rank.
E2 square is the like only square that you have to extract a win.
King h7.
King h7.
King
Okay,
H7.
not really.
Ben says I saw. Well, he knows we are doing blindfold.
Oh. King h7.
Yeah, king h7 done. Right.
Rook, wait, not rook, queen.
Yeah, Abhilash, I'll not talk so that I don't distract them. He is asking about my journey of the cube. But there's a Q&A video on my channel, so you can search answering your questions video, and then you can see how I started cubing. Okay, so
Okay, I'll just simplify. Rook d8 takes on e8.
okay,
Queen
rook.
takes
Queen takes rook.
Queen takes rook.
Okay,
Okay, going queen d3 check.
queen d3 check. Is this the first check of the game?
Yes.
Yeah,
And-
three check. We'll have 3 checks and then I win.
G6.
Thanks for playing g6. It gives me a lot of targets.
No, it's fine. I have a plan.
Really?
G
What is the
G6
plan? I have a pawn up.
done.
Pawn up doesn't matter against me.
Okay, whatever.
It's joke. Abhijit, why are you thinking so much? Play a move.
I'm seeing 4-5 moves ahead. Just let me.
Oh. Look at the confidence.
So okay, white is a pawn up actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have to find a good maneuver. So I'm thinking of that. Ah, I see. But king on g2 is a bit unsafe for this idea.
Bring it back. Bring the king back. Simple. Simple logic. King is safe. Stay with the king. King is not safe. Bring it back.
I'll go h4.
H4. Okay,
What's
finally.
the plan? Man with the plan.
Man with a van.
I was.
Ah. Where is its queen? On D3, right?
Yeah.
Yo, not yeah, yo. You can't say yes or no.
My rook is on E5.
Yo.
Yo.
Rook C5. Final
Okay.
answer.
Okay, nice.
Rook C5. लॉक किया जाए.
Anything interesting in the chat?
Not right now. I think people want some fast-paced action.
Yeah, this just
This
for a
is
change.
methodical and slow. Yeah, Abhilash asking, can you tell about blindfold chess? So in blindfold chess, basically you play chess, but you are blindfolded. So you have to imagine the board in your head and like track all the moves, all the pieces. It's a bit like speed BLD, doing a C4 BLD sort, because you have to
Oh yeah.
track
What is
everything
that?
from the start.
But speed BLD, I think it's much harder than this.
Okay, queen f3. Queen f3.
Queen F3,
Queen?
F3, Fish 3.
Arey yaar, Abhijit, why you do this?
I know. I think so. Queen c8 might be working for you somehow. Let's see.
Queen C8. You just want to
Play.
take 7 pawn, no? Like, and then
Just calculate queen c8 and then play it.
rook F5.
f5. What the hell?
Prakash, yeah, but it's tough to involve viewers in blindfold chess. But yeah, after this we can play a tournament, so you all can play.
Okay, queen e3.
Queen
Not blind.
E3. Wait. No, wait.
Queen E3.
No, wait. Vishwanath, what did you play?
I played
Rook f5.
Rook F5.
Ah,
Okay, Queen E3. Done. 30
rook
moves.
E5. Rook E5.
Rook E5.
Queen f3.
Do you want to draw? I'm not giving you a
No,
draw.
bro. No, bro.
Queen
I'm just
f3.
thinking you'll just stroll on my queen side and then I can do something. Go do
Okay,
queen
fine.
c8 or something.
Game will
Right.
finish
Queen C8.
with checkmate.
Huh?
No, someone is asking game कैसे खत्म होगा? मैं कह रहा हूँ with checkmate because no flagging.
Ah, rook F5.
Rook F5.
He played queen
I
F5.
think
Hey, wait,
Yeah.
Shivam, ready? Ah, okay, then rook F5.
Rook F5.
Okay.
Wait, third repetition. This is third repetition.
No. I can do one more time. No? This is the second repetition.
Yeah,
If I do it.
yeah.
I just want to test Vishwanath if he has any other ideas. I'll go queen e3 again.
Okay.
Rook E5.
Rook E5.
I'm losing with the pawn down, so this makes more sense.
No, wait. Wait, Abhijit Bhaiya, what did you play? Queen E3?
Yeah, queen e3, rook e5, and now my move is
Take the draw, Abhijit. I'm giving you a draw offer, even though you're
Okay.
I'll win.
queen takes on
What?
a7.
Shit. No,
Praka-
wait, it's not possible.
Prakash asking any reason why this is done at night? Because at night it's dark, so you can't see the pieces properly. so you might as well play blindfolded.
Yeah, and yeah.
I don't think.
Just joking. It's because Vishwanath isn't free during the day, so
Yeah, you
Queen
can.
takes a7.
queen takes a7. Whoa, grabbing a pawn. Pawn grabbing.
Pawn grabbing is not good, Abhijit. Have you not heard?
Will it be useful or not?
Queen
I don't know.
c6 check.
Hmm. Queen
Queen where? b6.
Queen b6.
c6
Queen c6
c6.
check. C6 check. Yeah. Okay, so black is taking advantage of this tempo.
Hmm. Yeah, I'll get the c3 pawn. That's good. Now it's draw, kind of. Let's see.
Let's see the evaluation. It's +2.
Don't tell the evaluation. No, Shivam, don't tell the evaluation.
Oh,
No.
sorry.
But the viewer,
Demoralizing. +100, +100.
don't tell the
Mate
evaluation.
in,
No,
mate in 12 for white.
no, don't tell the evaluation. No.
Evaluation.
Let the viewers
Okay, mate in one is the evaluation. Okay, king is checked. Abhijit Bhaiya.
Yeah, I know. I'm thinking of a good queen move because I
Okay.
need shelter. I'm thinking h3, h2, everything.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute limit approaching.
Yeah, wait. This is a critical moment. I need to think of it.
Okay, you can take
There are-
bonus time.
I don't want to lose.
What kind of attitude is this? Okay, I'll play king h2.
King
H2.
h2. Interesting.
Final answer. Abhijit, is that the final answer?
Yeah, it is.
Wait, what is?
Okay, wait. There's no queen h1 mate. Yeah,
No,
there is
no, mate.
If I would have played queen king h3, then it would queen h1, but after deflecting my rook. But
Hmm.
Where do you play? King H2, right?
Yeah.
yeah, h2.
Rook F5.
Rook f5. Hmm.
Rook b7.
Rook b7.
Are you sure? Rook takes F2 check.
Queen takes f2.
Oh,
Oh,
trade.
queen is there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Can I take it back? No.
Hey, bro, what? You had time to calculate. What take back?
No,
Don't be like Alec.
I was like,
But I was like,
Nice diagonals.
Like,
I couldn't figure out a7 to f2 diagonal blindfolded.
shit. I didn't see that.
now you can try and win my rook somehow because it's on b7. Wait, your queen is on c6.
Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, I saw that tactic also.
Okay, your move.
Queen takes b7.
Done. So white is up. White has two passed
One pawn.
pawns.
2 pass.
Black has 3 versus 2 majority on the king's side.
So in sighted also I'll think a bit now. But even I don't have an answer. Yeah, I think C4 is a good choice. C4.
C4. Wait, we
Queen A6.
queen.
No, no, no. Queen A6. No, no, no. Don't take Queen A6. No, no, no. King G7.
King G7. Okay.
Oh, no, not G7. G8. G8.
G8.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, let me just do simple.
Prakash
Queen
asking
C2.
Shivam, you play video games? I play a little bit of Mario Kart and I like Tetris also, but not playing. But I watch Tetris
Do you want to play Tetris like one time?
now.
Yeah,
Queen. No,
sometime.
not.
Yeah,
Queen
maybe
C2.
Queen
Vishwanath, quick.
Queen C2. Okay,
Queen
let's
C2.
let's turn this into a bullet match, ultra bullet.
Yeah, bullet man. Quickly.
No, no.
Say the move.
We can do 30-second limit per move.
Yeah.
Wow, 13 people watching again.
Yeah, now they'll watch losing.
For 10 minutes you can lose, or you can lose for 1 minute. If you say the moves fast, it will be easier. Because 10 minutes people will have to bear that, okay, Vishwanath
Yeah.
gone down, can't defend like that.
Okay, let's have a timer. 1 minute maximum per move.
One second, Akshay. Queen A6.
Queen
No, wait, Queen C2, right? He played Queen A6.
Queen 8 A6. Okay.
I can't see long diagonals. That is the problem here.
Harsh, yeah, we'll do a tournament after this match is over.
How
Okay,
many
I'll go Queen C3.
No, how many
Queen C3.
Queen C3. Uh, there is no time. There is no time limit in this match. It's untimed. So we just unlimited time basically, but we'll try to play fast.
Abhijit, what did you play?
Queen
Queen
C3.
C3.
Queen C3. Yeah, karaoke. We'll start the tournament after this match. Okay, let's see. White needs to convert this somehow. Oh, Alec is back.
Queen E6.
Queen,
Wait, no, no, no. Queen E6.
Queen E6. Alec, say hi to Alec.
Okay, now I have to
Alec,
talk
Alec
for
asking
Queen C2.
atomic tournament. अभी normal tournament हो जाए पहले, फिर atomic.
Queen E6. Queen E6.
Queen.
Wait, let me think.
Yeah, Queen E6 is done already.
I'll go C5.
C5. Okay. Prakash saying atomic sucks.
Yeah. Atomic is hard actually.
Ali,
Endgame is hard.
What are you?
Queen
What,
E2.
how are you doing?
Queen E2.
Huh.
Queen E2.
We need,
Queen
we need to
E2.
check.
Okay, thank you for sparing Abhijit Bhaiya's queen. It was hanging.
Oh,
It was on.
Where was it?
I see.
It was on B3. Your queen was on E6. So it was
Oh,
Wait.
when he played
I
C5.
said C3.
No,
he
it's
said C. No, white. C3, not on B3.
acha
It is on
C3.
C3.
Acha, I thought it was on B3. Well, I thought he said B3.
Can you take back moves and put it
Yeah,
there?
yeah, okay, I put it there. Then E6, then he played C5, then checked. Okay, Queen E2 check done.
Okay, King H3.
Prakash asking when you guys sleep. Very late, but hopefully not too late.
What did Abhijit play?
Uh,
King G3.
King G3. No, wait, no, no, no. G3 isn't possible. Illegal. There's a pawn on G3.
Oh, sorry, H3. I meant H3. Sorry, it's a word slip.
Slip of tongue.
H3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
H5 pawn. On to H5.
Okay, pawn to H5. Interesting. Let's see the evaluation.
Queen D4.
No. Please don't, not now. Don't just see the evaluation. Don't see anything.
Okay, why do you not want to know?
No, because I have a trick. Like, no, just don't.
Okay.
I know the trick, Vishwanath. The G4 square is big. I'm playing Queen D4.
Queen D4.
Yeah.
I don't think that. Queen E6.
Queen E6. Okay,
That's
okay.
okay,
You
right?
have to learn to appreciate slow chess, because like even I don't like long games. I like bullet games, but long games are where you can like actually calculate and do cool things. Bullet is often very imprecise and untidy.
Okay, I'll go. Queen E6 is the check.
Yeah,
Shivam.
yeah.
Yo.
Oh,
I know.
Alec.
Yeah. I'm just thinking if G4 might work.
Wait,
Right.
did I hear Alec's voice?
No.
Acha, I thought
Okay, I'll go G4.
Alec joined the call.
I think
Okay.
so this works.
G4.
G4 works.
I don't think that works. Queen B3.
Queen B3.
Uh,
No,
B.
okay.
All.
B3 check.
Don't say check, Shivam. Illegal.
how it's okay, check.
Not giving scope for illegal only. I can buy illegal moves.
No illegal moves. It's fine. I just said check.
We already did two illegal moves. Only one more and I would have won.
No, the second one was
What?
slip of
I made only
tongue.
one.
Yeah, second one was the marks
Uh,
tongue slip. Yeah.
King G2.
King G2.
Actually, queen and pawn in games are very, very tricky, even when sighted. Like, even when sighted, people can spot ideas.
Queen A2 check. No, don't play that. Don't play that. Don't play
Okay.
that.
Prakash, imagine this is a recording and you're just seeing it being recorded live.
Queen A2, you have played, Vishwanath?
No, I'm not playing.
Don't you want the pawn on A3?
Thinking.
Yeah, think.
Risk reward ratio.
Risk reward, bro, it might be two fast pawns. Now it's only. Just find a perpetual and finish, Vishwanath. I'm just telling you that.
Okay, Queen A2 check. Final answer.
Queen A2 check.
I'm going with King. Okay, I see. Queen F3. I have to try that.
F3, not possible.
Queen F3 illegal move.
Queen A2 check, no? You played.
Yeah. Queen is on D4.
You said D4, no? Queen D4.
D4.
No, I said King F3.
The King F3. I thought you said Queen
You
F3.
said Queen F3.
No, I said king f3, king, Raja.
Okay, queen takes a3 check.
Queen takes a3 check.
Queen
Okay,
takes
now let
a3
me just
check.
think.
Oh, finally.
Okay, won the pawn back.
Back
So,
in the game.
equal pawns. Okay,
Let's
want to know
go
the
king.
evaluation?
No.
Okay,
King to f4.
king f4. Prakash saying I'm unable to log in into Leeches. Yeah, even yesterday Leeches was having some problems with
Where is
it,
my queen?
with the
Okay,
server.
my a3. His pawn is on.
Ask. Where am I?
Shivam,
Yeah,
where is his pawn? Is it on c5 or c6?
Yo.
c5, c5.
Illegal ask 2 for 2.
I think
You're asking. Illegal ask.
I think just this is improving my coordinates a lot, so I'm getting better
Wait,
at.
wait. So my queen is. His pawn is on. Wait. One second.
Where's the move?
1 minute timer up.
I'm feeling sleepy. Yeah, I'm feeling sleepy in my blindfold.
Wait, I have an
It's
idea.
already 11 p.m.
While you
Queen
are finishing,
c1.
I can make the
Queen
tournament.
c1. Queen c.
Okay, queen c1. I see.
Queen c1.
Good.
Check.
Don't say check, Shivam.
Okay, let's go king g3 again.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know where to put my queen only now. This is so funny. Queen e1. Queen e1.
Queen e1. Okay, check.
Shivam.
He can say the check. The check is there in the notation. Yeah, this is a good move actually. I can blunder here. I'll go king h3.
King h3. Okay, I've made the tournament. It's starting in 10 minutes and I'll extend it if needed.
10 minutes. I don't think it's get over. Okay, maybe. King h3, huh? Pawn is on c5. Queen is on d4. Right? D4.
Shivam, 30 seconds over.
Yeah.
Queen
Yeah,
f1.
okay.
Queen f1.
Let's go to the tournament.
Queen
Okay,
f1.
Queen f1.
Queen f1.
King, yeah, okay, cool. King, let's go, king. I see. King g3, king g, queen g1, and then you take the pawn. Oh my god.
Oh, queen g1 I won't play.
I know. Because the d4 queen is protecting the...
You're trying to trick me.
What
Okay, I'll
is this
play king
blindfold
G3
double bluffing going on?
king g3 again.
King g3 again. Done.
I think I'm winning. Hey, Shivam, what's the engine evaluation saying?
0.
Saying 0.
Yeah, dead draw.
Because there's a perpetual, Vishwanath, and I can't escape the perpetual.
Queen e1.
Queen e1.
King h3. King h3.
Queen f1.
Wait, it's not a perpetual. You can remove your king from there.
It was up, then it's risky. Like
Yeah.
queen f1.
Queen goes to f4, g5. Then there will be a mate that Vishwanath can do. By doing queen e6, queen f6, he'll get a mate. Very nice.
Exactly.
So I don't. That is very risky. I can't allow such mate. King h3 again.
King h3 again.
Draw. Refutation draw.
No, king is already in h3.
Okay, then g3, whatever.
g3. Okay, draw.
Yeah, draw.
Agree to a draw. Okay, fine.
Shivam, do you want to play a quick game with me or?
We can do the tournament. This match took
head.
1 hour. 1 hour match. Yeah.
How much was this time? Like this game?
1 hour. 1 hour.
So I think so g4 was a mistake on my part. G4 would have stopped perpetual. And like a3 pawn you would have won anyhow. I think so. I couldn't have stopped.
Yeah.